Lesson 4-23, SOHCAHTOA. I have here sine, cosine, tangent. This is where I introduced SOHCAHTOA. This is meant to help you remember what you use with sine, what you use with cosine, and what you use with tangent. For SO, S-O-H, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, O over H. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's why it has AH. And tangent is opposite over adjacent, which is why it's OA. So for the first question on the Google form, I wanted you to select the two parts of the triangle associated to the given trigonometric ratio. So for sine, you had to select opposite and hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse. So on the Google form, just click those two answers. And then I want you to also do that for cosine and tangent. Okay, so select the proper two answers for cosine and tangent. Okay, next part of the assignment, I give you this triangle and I ask you to select the correct ratio. Okay, so I will show you again the first one, and I'm going to have you finish the other two. So for sine alpha, alpha is here. Let's label our triangle with opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse before we begin. Okay, so the side that is connected to the angle, so it's the angle and the right angle here. So the side that is between those two is the adjacent, so I'm going to put an A. It's not going to look that good because I'm using my mouse, but that's okay. So that's the adjacent side. The side that is across from the angle is the opposite. So I'm going to put an O right there. And then the side that is across from the right angle is the hypotenuse. So I'm going to put an H. Okay. So referring back to our picture over here, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so opposite is here, so we're going to do 8 over 17. So I'm going to find that, it's right here, and I'm going to mark that one as my correct answer. Okay, so do the same thing for cosine and tangent. Okay, last part of the assignment, we are asked to select which trig function matches the given ratio. Okay, so I give you these ratios and you have to select if it's sine, cosine, or tangent. Alright, so again I'm going to show you the first one, and then I will have you do the last two. Okay, again, before we start, we're going to label the triangle with opposite, adjacent, and hypotenuse. Okay, so the side between the two angles that are given, the right angle and this angle, is the adjacent. Okay, it is attached to the angle. And the side across from the angle is the opposite, so I'm going to put an O. And the longest side, or the side that is across from the right angle, is the hypotenuse. Okay, so it's all labeled, much easier to work with. Okay. First one, 33 over 65. So 33 is here, that's the O, and 65 is here, that's the H. So I'm looking for O over H. Alright, so that is sine, and I'm going to cross that off. Okay, so that is the answer for the first one. You can do the last two.